let's start today's patrol. Oh no, a bad guy just hid in the supermarket. Can you help me find the criminal? Do you know what the bad guy looks like? He was wearing a purple vest, black pants, and a yellow scarf around his neck. Awesome, thank you. You're welcome. Guo, what happened? I got separated from my dad in the park. Guo, don't worry. Let's find your dad together. You found Guo's dad! You're awesome! Officer Kiki, it's terrible! My purse has been stolen! Can you help me catch the thief? No problem. Leave it to me. Go, go, go! You found my purse! Thank you so much! You're welcome! It's my duty! Officer Kiki, mission accomplished!
Stop at the red light and cross the road on the green light.
The bus is a little dirty. Please help. Welcome to the car wash. Let's clean the car. First, First, drag the water sprayer to rinse off the mud. Tap the button to spray the cleaning fluid. Scrub the car clean. Now rinse off the foam. The car is clean. You are like an expert. Calm down, Miss Bear. What's the issue here?
The parking lot is so disorganized. I can't drive my car out.
Don't worry. I'll... Woohoo! All the cars... Hank, what's going on? I want to share the toys with my friends, but I can't find them. Can you help? No problem. Let's look for them together. Find the other toys. Amazing! Thank you, Officer Kiki. No. Bunny is entangled in the vine and can't move. Don't worry, we're going to save her now. Oh, I can't walk. Come and save me. Drag Kiki to move the box and save Bunny.